Hey everyone! I'm so excited to share with you my first ever watercolor painting tips. I've been experimenting with watercolors for the past 2 weeks, and I've learned a few things that I can't wait to share with you. One of the most surprising things I've discovered is that the best color is actually at the top of the brush stroke. Who would have thought? The trick is to let go of the paint quickly and then move your brush. This way, the paint will spread out in a beautiful stroke. Another tip is to try not to load your brush too much with paint. It's easy to overload it, but trust me, less is more in this case. Instead of dipping your brush in water and then loading it up with paint, try just dipping it once. This will give you more control over your strokes and make it easier to blend colors together. One of my favorite techniques is to let the paint flow downwards on the paper. To do this, hold your brush vertically and then rotate it as you move it across. It's truly amazing how effortlessly you can create beautiful effects with watercolors. So there you have it, folks, my first watercolor painting tips. I hope you find them helpful and inspiring. If you have any tips of your own, please share them in the comments below. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching and happy painting, everyone!